What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Happy to have you on here. So today I wanted to present to you this amazing piece of technology, let me call it that way, that I just found very interesting and definitely worth the exploration. So today we are discovering gravity points, which is hosted on codepen.io, and this is a nifty tool that lets us to see the effects of gravity. And so a wonderful and amazing developer created this for us to see the effects of gravity. So basically when you head on here, you're going to have different points which are just floating in space, and wherever you click is going to create a gravity point. So you create a gravity point, and now you see the different other points are attracted to it in some sort of way. So they're attracted to it. So right now the gravity is very small, so they're just passing by and nothing's happening. But the more you click, the more the intensity of the gravity you create. So I'm increasing the gravity, and you can see now how the different points are reacting to that. So the more you click, you increase the gravity till it explodes. So basically it doesn't end there. You can take the experience even further by seeing how it's going to react to multiple points. So here we are going to be putting gravity points all over the place, and you can see how they are reacting. The points are attracted to each other as well. You can see now they are all of the same intensity, so they are all attracted to the center. So you see how the points are going crazy. The white points are going crazy. They don't really know where to go, left or right, and so they are just dancing all over the place. So now you see the gravity points are starting to merge with each other to create this huge gravity ball that has the points going all over the place. So yeah, so it's very interesting to see the effects of gravity, and you can see how the different points react to them. So I'll go ahead and create some more here. And you now see how they're attracted, and boom, they explode. So that's how it works. It's a very simple tool and very interesting. It just lets you play around with gravity and influence the points in one way or the other. So I just like this nifty tool. I just played with it for a while, and I just thought that I'll show you guys that something like this exists. So definitely check it out at this link. I'll put it in the description. And that's it pretty much. I hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you on the next one.